The detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, has received his legal team in the custody of the Department of State Service and expressed optimism that the terrorism charges against him would be quashed by the Court of Appeal. The legal team, on a routine visit granted by Justice Binta Nyako of the Federal High Court in Abuja, was led by Chief Mike Ozekome and leader of his legal team, Ifeanyi Ejiofor, accompanied by some of Kanu's family members. The visit was to give the detained Biafra Nation agitator feedback on the Court of Appeal's proceedings of September 13th, where the legal team prayed the appellate court to dismiss the remaining 7 charges of terrorism and treasonable felony brought against him by the federal government. A statement issued by Ejiofor on Friday after the visit said that Kanu was in high spirits and confident that the Court of Appeal in Abuja would discharge and acquit him from the terrorism charges. According to him, Kanu used the visit to send words of appeal to his followers, especially the Umuchineke, to remain consistent, resolute, unshaken, focused, and prayerful, with the hope that there must be light at the end of the tunnel. He said that Kanu was very optimistic that the trial phase is gradually coming to an end. The statement reads in part, the court ordered routine visit to our client, Nnamdi Kanu, has just been concluded at the DSS headquarters, Abuja, where he is still being held in solitary confinement for over 14 months. Feedback was provided to him on the September 13th Court of Appeal proceedings in his appeal against the Federal High Court ruling upholding 7 charges against him. Kanu was elected on the performance and legal prowess demonstrated by his legal team led by Chief Mike Ozekome. Kanu was enthused by the accounts of the advocacy and submissions of Chief Ozekome during the proceeding, happy with the panel of justices, and was completely convinced that justice is already in the offing. He was deeply touched by the sacrifices of Umuchineke, who, despite the heavy downpour witnessed in Abuja on that fateful day, still thronged the court in a show of uncommon solidarity and support for him. Kanu unequivocally reiterated his abiding confidence in his dogged legal team, who have always been up to the daunting task. Onyedu remains firm, tenacious, and holding very strongly to his conviction that his trial will surely end in victory. Kanu had on September 13th prayed the Court of Appeal in Abuja to review the April 8th ruling of the Federal High Court, which struck out only 8 out of the 15-count charge and upheld 7 charges against him. In his appeal dated April 29th, Kanu insisted that the treasonable felony charges against him have no basis in law and apply to be discharged and acquitted by the Court of Appeal. Ozekome, who argued the appeal on his behalf, urged the appellate court to order his release from DSS solitary confinement. Kanu's grouse was that the charge gave unlawful global jurisdiction to the High Court and that it also failed to disclose the location or date the alleged offences were committed. A 3-man panel of the Court of Appeal led by Justice Jumai Anatu has, however, reserved judgment in the appeal to a date that will be communicated to the parties involved. The British High Commission offices in Abuja, Lagos, and across Nigeria will be closed on Monday, September 19th, as the United Kingdom buries its late Queen Elizabeth II in London. This is contained in a statement posted on the official Twitter page of the United Kingdom in Nigeria on Friday. The tweet, however, stated that the UK visa application centres in Abuja and Lagos will not be affected by the closure. The statement read, our British High Commission offices in Abuja, Lagos, and across the country will be closed on Monday, September 19, 2022, in observance of Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II's funeral. UK visa application centres in Abuja and Lagos remain open. God save the King.